What up, y'all? It's Big Wes here. Welcome to my Edo Tensei or reanimation Sharingan contact lens unboxing video. So big thank you to scleralenses.com for sending me these contacts. If you want a pair, go to the link that's in the description. As well, if you want an extra 15% off, use discount code BIGWES at checkout. So if you want to see me struggle to put these in, as always, go to the timestamp that's going to be on the screen right now. If not, just stick around and thank you for watching the whole video. What up, y'all? It's Big Wes here. So today we have another Sharingan contact lens unboxing. I know I say this all the time, but this one is like probably gonna be like my new favorite. These ones look sick. Today we're doing the reanimation, the Edo Tensei Sharingan lenses. So the only characters that have these eyes are Itachi Uchiha and Madara Uchiha when they first get revived, before they like start fighting and they do the Mangenkyo. I'm gonna try and see later if I can get the Mangenkyo versions of these, but this is just like the base 3 Tomoe Sharingan, but reanimated. So the eyes are all like blacked out. They look wicked. So, you know, I thought, like, you know, it's quarantine, everyone's inside, everyone's a little dead inside, so no better time to bring out the reanimated, bringing back to life Sharingan contacts. And I'm looking a little scruffy too. I haven't got lined up in a bit, so I'm feeling dead inside as well. So that's perfect, real perfect timing for all of this. So before I start, big thank you to scleralenses.com. They're the ones who sent me these contacts. If you want to get these ones, they'll be in the description below. But let's get this unboxing going. So this is the box that they came in. It's pretty small. I can hear them rattling inside. It's perfect, all you really need. But yeah, let's get this opened up. Oh, sorry. So a little bit of a mishap inside, it looks like. They just kind of like came out a little bit. Packaging's all over the place. And the contacts are inside the box. So the only thing that was in there were the contacts, this little box that they were supposed to be in, but it looks like they kind of fell out. So this is just like a list of safety instructions, how to put them on, how to take them off, how to clean them, all that. It's all right there. Written in some other language on the back too. I don't even know. I'm assuming French, but it could be anything. All right, so after reading this, the contacts only say for 2 hours before putting them on, but I'm gonna go the full 24 like always, just to be safe. And yeah, we'll go forward from there. So this is what the contacts actually come in. I'm gonna try and peel off some of the tape so you guys can get a better look at it. These literally say Itachi right on the top. But so these are what the contacts look like. Definitely look sick. It's all blacked out. These are, so like to put these to scale, these are like the Sharingan contacts I did like a couple years ago. So yeah, like it covers the whole whites of your eye, so everything is gonna be blacked out but your pupils, which are gonna be red in the middle. So I know I'm gonna struggle to put these on, but let's just see how it goes. I'm really excited. So I'm gonna open these up, put these in the carrying case. Oh, it didn't come with the carrying case as well, so make sure to have your own. Put them in the solution, and then we will try these on. I got my Uchiha Crest like t-shirt on back here, so I'm ready to go. Excited. So yeah, so I'll be back tomorrow, put these on, and we'll be ready to go and see how the Sharingan looks in my eye. Alright, y'all, what up? It's Big Wes. I'm back. It's 24 hours since I put the contacts in the solution. So let's get ready to put these in my eye. I'm a little nervous because like the Sharingan lenses, they're really big, they're sclera, they cover the whites of your eyes, and I struggled really bad last time. My eyes got all red and they're watering, whatever. So hopefully it goes a little bit better this time. And let's put these in. I'm excited. They look really sick, so hope they turn out well. Once again, thank you to scleralenses.com. They sent me these contacts for free. The link's going to be in the description where you can get them. But for now, let's get these on. This looks crazy. Alright, so I'm sweating a whole bunch, but it looks nasty right now. Like, this looks so cool. So I'm gonna struggle to get the other one in now. Alright, so after a lengthy struggle, like you guys don't even know how long it's been trying to get these in, but I finally got them in. They look sick. Like, the effect is wicked. It's dark, like it's evil, it's crazy looking. Alright, I'm gonna come in closer so you guys can get a good look now. So here is my left eye. Here is my right eye. Yeah, so here's both right now. Yeah, so the feel, not the greatest. So, like, not describing it as pain, but discomfort. So, like, say I wouldn't want to walk around in these all day for a long time. Like, after a while, it'll get irritating. But, like, say even like an hour, taking a photo shoot or something, like, this would be perfect. Like, it's annoying enough that, like, I wouldn't want to wear it all the time, but, like, not so much that it's like I can't stand these in my eyes. Like, I'm chilling, talking. The vision really good, actually. Like, even less of a red ring than like the other one, so that's a plus on these. Just the main thing that they're really big, so it's more discomfort around the outside of your eyes, and then trying to get them on is the hardest thing. But once they're on, like, these look sick. They're amazing. So one of the things I don't think I mentioned a lot of times, the other one's the price. These contacts will run you about $79. I say it's a really good deal because these are almost like more detailed than the Renegon ones, and those ones are like double the price like anywhere else. So price wise, this is really sick. Again, want a discount on these ones, use discount code BIGWEST on checkout at SkyLenses.com. Alright, so I'm going to do a vision test just so you guys can know I can read with these things on. So I'm going to read some of the comments from the last video. After this video, you must give your left eye for Itachi. Alright, you gotta let me out of the genjutsu. Nah, you guys are in here, you're Big West gang. No one's getting out my genjutsu. You guys are here for life. Thank you for making this, and can you do another Naruto contest? You know what? I'm definitely gonna do one soon, so keep out looking for that one. Stay posted for the next couple of videos. Do you actually wear glasses or contacts? Funny thing, no, I don't at all. I don't wear glasses or contacts. I don't wear these aside from like doing fun stuff like this or making videos. You're awesome, dude. West the Teleporter. Maybe that can be my new name now. I don't know. Instead of Big West, West the Teleporter, Big West Uchiha. Who knows? Something. But as you guys can see, I can read with these on. They're really great. So that's about it for this unboxing. I hope you guys liked it. This one's really fun. I'm gonna say these are my favorite contacts. So I'm gonna come in one more time for you guys. Another good look. Both, like, the detail on this is crazy. All right, and here's how to take them off. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it so much. And once again, big thank you to SkyLenses.com for sending me these contacts. If you want a discount, it's going to be in the description. Discount code BIGWEST, that's for 50% off. Like, share this video, share with a Naruto fan or someone who likes to cosplay. Drop a comment for what you want to see from me next. I love hearing what you guys have to say. And subscribe and ring the bell. You don't want to miss out. Brand new videos coming out all the time. And I guess that's it for this one. So I'll see you guys later. Stay posted. Thank you guys for watching. Stay healthy and safe in quarantine. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.